Hey guys and gals, welcome to usedcarswestpalmbeach.org. Today's topic of discussion is how to buy a car with bad credit. So let's get into it. Used Cars West Palm Beach reports, without a doubt it's getting tougher to borrow money from most banks or finance companies, especially with the economy being in such bad shape. These type situations play a major role on all of us, even automobile finance companies, which in turn makes it almost impossible to get good financing on used cars in West Palm Beach, Florida, especially if you have bad credit. Don't panic, because remember I said almost impossible, which means you still have hope. Visit the website below to get a free automobile credit check and easy finance application at www.usedcarswestpalmbeach.org/finance. So with that being said, these times can be used to work in your benefit, or you can let them ruin you like most Americans. I don't want to see that happen to anyone, so I've decided to list a few killer tactics that can help you avoid the bad credit check. Used Cars West Palm Beach killer tactic number 1. Have you ever heard of the term CREAM, which stands for Cash Rules Everything Around Me? In other words, the best way to get around having bad credit when it comes to financing cars is cash. To make this method work in your favor, just have enough cash to put down on the vehicle to make up for the bad credit. Now, depending on how bad your credit is will determine how much more cash you will need to put towards your down payment. Look for used car dealerships that have online finance applications which will check your current credit records and help determine where you stand. Visit www.usedcarswestpalmbeach.org/financing to receive a free automobile credit check application from our online website. Used Cars West Palm Beach killer tactic number 2. I know we all don't have piles of cash just laying around to drop on luxury cars, so this method will help to solve that problem. The next best thing to do when you have bad credit is to get a cosigner who has great credit. I know that this can be more of a risky approach because it requires you to trust someone and someone to trust you, meaning that you will have to find someone trustworthy to share the name on your new vehicle with. But at the same time, that someone will have to trust you enough to know you will make your payments on time. So be careful when using this type of approach tactic, because it can ruin good friendships and even cause family feuds over money. I hope this information was helpful to you and gave you a few bright ideas on how to overcome the bad credit check when buying cars. You can also find more valuable info and useful tips on the subject of buying used cars. Just visit the website below at www.usedcarswestpalmbeach.org. Thanks for viewing. Have a great day.